Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video we're gonna be doing a food vlog. For today's video we'll be making our dinner, and it's called Taiwanese dish due to the soybean that we use from Taiwan, and it's a steamed tilapia with spicy Taucu sauce, fermented bean paste. And this is the ingredients. First thing we need to do is to clean the fish, wash, and slice from the stomach to flatten it up. Then we season with salt. We rest the fish to marinate. We put chopstick on it because we don't have a small plate to accommodate the size of the pan aside from the salad bowl. As you can see, we always clean and go. Let's make it a habit to clean our station so it's workable always. So now let's do the ginger, clean, thin slice it and chop. Because it's fish and it has a fishy smell, so to prevent that we use ginger. Don't be surprised if he knows this kind of cutting skills, because he worked in the kitchen before as a chef. I consider it as a master slash Mr. Chef. So for this one, we slice and we chop. Thinly chop. Same goes with the carrots, thin slices. This is for decoration purpose later, and we need to submerge with water to keep it fresh and crispy. Spring onion is the same, thinly sliced and submerged with water for crispiness.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Just peel and chop the garlics for flavor later. Next is for our sauteed vegetables in soy sauce and oyster sauce. Just cut the vegetables into a bite size and you're good. This is very simple to do, it's delicious and very popular as well. Also, don't waste the hard part of the broccoli. This one can still be eaten together with the rest. So this is the final look of the ingredients before we cook them. So we have two stoves here. One is for pre-steaming of the fish, and the other one is for sauteing the sauce of the fish. Preheat the pan with oil.
这一次我真的睡着。
Add the garlic and ginger to an aromatic state. Then add the soybean sauce, about 6 to 8 teaspoons. Cook them together. Then add about 3 teaspoons of sugar, or maybe less, depends on your taste buds. Add the lemon juice. This is 1.5 tablespoons of lemon. Add a bit of water to dilute. Now let's check if the fish is ready. Those chopsticks cannot make it, so let's use the stand. As much as possible, we don't want to use something that can scratch the pan because it's non-stick. It will damage the pan, but no choice. Chopsticks become very soft to handle the bowl. The sauce is ready! Pour over to the fish and steam it together for the sauce to boil together so it will absorb the sauce. At the meantime, let's wash the pan, the other pan, so we can start steaming the vegetables. Boil some water and put a bit of oil so they become crispy. Boil the water and put the hard vegetables first and then the soft ones on top.
Summer day，做好了这你的准备，却有些狼狈。It's
This is what they call blanching. Blanching of vegetables, so later it's easy to cook. Now let's do some sauteing. Heat the pan and put small amount of oil. Then proceed with the remaining garlics. A bit of oyster sauce. Then add the vegetables. Put a bit of light soya sauce. Some salt. A bit of water for the sauce. Put a bit of water according to how much sauce do you want it to be. Then now taste according to your taste buds. Think this is good, so finally add some cornstarch and water to make the sauce a bit thicker. Cook for a few minutes and we're done! Simmer this just to make sure that the fish is well done in minimum fire. Let's check and we are good to go. Just add the thinly sliced carrots and spring onion. And we're ready to go! Isn't it look so pretty and colorful and delicious? Yum! Thank you for watching ChinFilVlogs. Here in ChinFilVlogs, we create videos based on our experiences, thoughts, and ideas about lifestyle, food vlogs, how-to videos, and culture. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye!